Print on demand is really good fun, and I was doing some digging to find out facts on print on demand that you might not know. At the end of the day, I just wanted to relay some cool, interesting information that could be a conversation starter for you, even though I can't imagine sitting around in, a gathering and then just start spewing print on demand facts. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this fun, very short video. So here are 4 print on demand facts that I don't think you know. But if you do know them, let me know in the comments. And if you have any others, also let me know in the comments. Starting with fact number 1. Printful is one of the largest print on demand companies in the world. In 2019, it sold 20 million products. I know that might sound a bit crazy, Printful being bigger than Redbubble and Teespring and all these other print on demand companies that we all know and love. Well, the ones that we all know. But either way, it's just crazy, and it doesn't surprise me because Printful do tend to have the best quality, the best prices, the fastest shipping, right? So it makes sense that they would be considered the biggest print on demand company, or one of the biggest print on demand companies in the world. They have over 800 staff, and in 2019, they made over $100 million. That is a lot of money. Now, I know those are 2019 dates, and those were the latest dates I could find, but it would not surprise me if they soared past those numbers in 2020 and even further in 2021, especially with the whole pandemic and everything that's gone on, because print on demand has just gone up, up, up. Fact number 2. From the research I have done, I have found the cheapest print on demand t-shirt to be the Gildan 6400 sold by Shirtley for $5.75. If you have found it cheaper, then let me know in the comments, but I did a hell of a lot of research to find the cheapest t-shirt, and this is one that came out on top. Now, personally, I wouldn't recommend using this company. I know that t-shirt is the cheapest, but that isn't the only thing that you have to consider. I found their website to be an absolute pain to navigate, pretty awful really. And I just know I would never use them. I could not deal with a website like that. But as well as that, just because they're cheap, it doesn't necessarily mean they're good. They could have terrible printing quality, terrible shirt quality. So many different factors have to go into picking a decent shirt. So this makes you think, even though they are the cheapest, are they the best option? In my opinion, no. But I thought it was pretty cool to know that there is a print on demand t-shirt out there for under $6. Fact number 3, the cheapest combination of print on demand t-shirt and shipping is sold by Spod. SPOD. And it has a combined price of $9.96. That is the cheapest combination, and that is ridiculous. I mean, that's under $10 for the item and for shipping. And from reviews I have read, Spod is pretty good in terms of quality. Their website was definitely more user-friendly and faster and just easier to use, especially than Shirtley's. So I actually kind of like that deal. However, you have to bear in mind that this t-shirt is for the Fruit of the Loom t-shirt, which, if we go all the way back to our t-shirt test, which you can watch over here, it didn't really pass the test. The Fruit of the Loom t-shirt was terrible quality, and the printing quality was terrible as well. Now, that's not to say Spod doesn't use better printers. I don't know, but just consider that I don't think, and I don't think many people will think, the Fruit of the Loom t-shirts are better than the Gildan 6400s. A lot of the time you can find a really good base price t-shirt like we just did with Shirtley, but as soon as you combine it with that of the shipping price, it becomes a bit ridiculous. For example, with Shirtley, the shipping I believe was over $6 or $7 per item, so it kind of just puts it all back into perspective, and that's maybe where they're making their money, right? They decided to up their shipping but lower the base price of the t-shirt to maybe trick people. I don't know, but that's why I like what Spod have done. They've got very cheap shipping and a pretty cheap base price t-shirt as well. And fact number 4, this is a cool one. The global market size of print on demand is 3.9 billion, and that's in 2021. By 2028, it's expected to reach 7.5 billion. So that is a serious serious increase in growth and potential for money to be made. So don't think, you're too late, there's not enough space in the market for you. There is plenty of room for you to come into this market and make some extra money. And the fact that it's growing year on year is just a really good sign, especially as this is such a niche market of, custom t-shirts. It's very specific. I know it relates to more than just t-shirts, but t-shirts are the most popular print-on-demand product that's out there. Regardless of that, I just think, if you are interested in getting into print-on-demand, the fact that you can see it growing from 3.9 to 7.5 billion goes to show there is still so much more room for everyone. I would have loved to share more facts with you, but after about 2 hours of researching different facts, I started to realize that print-on-demand isn't the most popular, well-known business out there, and there's just not that many facts and statistics that I could share. However, if you do want to see a part 2, I will dig just as deep as I possibly can and try and find some other cool, interesting print-on-demand facts to share with you. So let me know in the comments down below if you knew any of these, or if you know of other facts that are quite cool and, potentially I could share on a YouTube video. But other than that, I just want to say a massive thank you for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, please help me get to 50,000 subscribers. I'm so close. I'm on 47,800 at the moment, and I'm really hoping to get to 50,000 by the end of August. We'll see, who knows, but all I know is that you can definitely help me with that goal. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching.